And now, time for something completely different. Made in Indonesia. And it is a Squier Jaguar bass. A short scale bass. Let's get it on the bench and get her set up. So this object that vaguely reminds you of a guitar, it's missing 2 strings, but we're going to get her set up. And this belongs to a guitar player, so it's not an instrument that he plays anywhere special, he's just for messing about with. And he wanted light strings on it, so we're going with Roto Sounds. A light gauge, short scale, 40 to 90 set. That's very close. Extremely close. Close enough that I'm going to call it okay. So let's get the strings off it and start cleaning her up. Get everything checked out. Got all the burrito residue off the frets. They're in good shape. And we'll get some strings on it. If I can get into the package. So yeah, Roto Sounds, swing bass, short scale, standard gauge, stainless steel round wound bass guitar strings. Ooh. You even put a little silicone gel pack in there. And I gotta cut these. Two tuners past. In the hole. That ain't gonna work. I'll have to do it the old-fashioned way. And we'll just do that again. That one wants to go there. Come 2 past. A Dave tip. In the hole, bend her over, and bring her around. And twist her up. It's 2 wraps under and right in there. We're tuned up. Give everything a bit of a stretch here. It's amazing how much noise the clock and the refrigerator makes when you're filming. So tune back up to pitch and we'll see what we've got here. And we are maybe a little too straight. No, I think we can go with that. I think we can go with that. It's within microns. I'm going to say that's good. It's a little low. Alrighty, time for some intonation. Ooh, way sharp. Way sharp. That one's alright. A little bit sharp. That one's a little sharp. So, lots of moving and lots of checking and lots of moving and lots of checking, and we got the intonation. Now we can check the pickup height. And we'll just fret the last fret. And get my eyes so I can see. And we want 4/32 on this side, which is what, 1/8? That's a little bit high. And about 3/32 on this side. And that's way low. Well, checking and checking and checking and moving and rechecking, and we're going to check it all again tomorrow before we send it back. Hey, it seems to be going okay. I'm not much of a guitar player, and I think I've picked up a bass 3 times in my life, so I had to. I had to look up a few things. Well, it sounds pretty good. Something for the Canadians. There we go, a Squier Jaguar bass. I believe it's 2015, crafted in Indonesia, backed by Fender. A little short scale bass that needed a lot of adjusting, but it seems to play all right now, that I can tell. thanks for dropping by. I hope you enjoyed this one. It's a little bit of a challenge for me with 2 less strings and great big cables to play.